Hello friends, today our topic in Java is a looping statement, which is also called an iteration statement or a repetitive statement also. The Java for loop is a control flow statement that iterates a part of the program multiple times. It is also called a fixed loop because for loop knows in the very beginning only how many times it is going to perform the loop body. And it is also called entry control loop because in this loop the condition is tested first, and if the condition is true then it enters into the loop body. So it is called entry controlled loop. Now on the screen you will find the syntax of for loop. For round bracket open, initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, loop updation, round bracket close, and then braces open and braces close, inside which you have the loop body. Loop body is nothing but a group of Java statements, or it can be a single statement also. Now, using the above syntax, we will write a Java program that will print 1, 2, 3, 4 till n, the user choice. N is actually will be asked from the user where to stop. That value will come from the user and that value will be stored in n, and my loop will go till n. Now when you print this series, you have to keep 4 things in mind. What is the start value? Just see 1, 2, 3, 4. So my start value is 1. How long the loop will go? Till my counting is less than or equal to n. It means that I'll stop when it reaches the value n. How the loop will increase or decrease? Here in this case it is plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and so on. And what are the statements to be repeated? That should be written in the loop body. Here I'm just printing the value of the loop control variable, that is I. In the very beginning I is 1, so 1 will be printed. When the loop updates it will be 2, 2 will be printed. Again when it updates it will be 3, 3 will be printed, and it will continue till n. So let us write now the Java code. Public class series, the class opens, you have the main method, and you are asking the value of n. Why? Because you want to know from the user that when the loop should stop. And then as I told you the syntax, for int I is equal to 1. I was printing 1, 2, 3, 4 till n. So my initial value was 1. From here it will go to the condition. Is 1, suppose n's value is 5. I want to stop at 5. Okay. So when you enter into the for loop for I is equal to 1, what is the initial value of I? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5? It is less, so my condition is true. It will go inside the loop body and it will print the value of I. I is what? 1. From here you will find the red arrow going up to the updation part, and what is happening here? I is getting incremented by 1. It is turning 2. From there you will find another arrow pointing to the condition. From there it will go to the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 5. 2 is less. So it will again go to the loop body and 2 will be printed. Again to the updation part. And this way, suppose I is 5. I less than or equal to 5. It is not less, but it is equal to 5. So it will go inside, prints the value of I, and from there it goes again to updation part. And it is right now what? 6. Is 6 less than n? N was 5? No. Is 6 equals to 5? No. That means it will come out of the for loop. And then the method will close and the class will close. Now for better understanding, let us answer these questions. Name the loop control variable. Which variable is controlling the loop? I. What is the initial value of I? I is initially 1. How long the loop will continue? The loop will continue unless it reaches the value n. How many statements are there in the loop body? Here in this program, I have only one statement in the loop body, that is system.out.println I. How the loop is getting updated? By +1, that is I is equal to I plus 1. What is the final value of I? The final value of I is 6. Okay, the loop goes one extra time, and when it is false, it comes out. I hope you have understood. Now let us write the program so that it prints the series in reverse order. That is, it will print 10 to 1. In this case, I am not taking n, but it will print 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So again, series 2, the class is declared, main method. For int I is equal to, what is the starting value? 10, 9, 8. So 10 is the starting value. How long the loop will continue? The loop will continue till it is greater than or equal to 1. Always remember, when the loop is in descending order, you have to give the condition greater than equal to. And when it is in ascending order, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, if the loop goes this way, then the condition would be less than equal to. In this case, the loop updation is I is equal to I minus 1. And obviously, the loop body is having only one statement, printing the value of loop control variable. Initially, when it is 10, 10 is getting printed. Then minus 1, 9, 9 is getting printed. So in this case, if I ask you, what is the final value of I? The final value of I is 0. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep programming. And of course, do subscribe for all my latest videos. Thank you so much.